Go. Stand on your feet. Look at me. Your marriage to her is over. I divorce you from her life. I divorce you from her life. Every covenant you have with her is broken.
She belongs to me.
Huh?
She belongs to me.
She belongs to you. What have you done to her life?
Everything.
Huh?
I take everything.
You take everything from her. Everything like what? Everything like what?
Everything must go wrong in our life.
You reign, you ancient Zion's king. Ancient Zion's king. Kadosh, Kadosh, you are mighty on your throne.
We've come to Zion, the city of the living God.
You reign, you ancient Zion's king. Kadosh, Kadosh, you're mighty on your.
You're mighty on your throne.
You're mighty on your throne.
You are mighty on your throne.
Restore everything you have taken from her. Her glory, her favor, her breakthrough, everything. Restore it quickly. Restore it. Restore it quickly. Restore. 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 Everything you have taken from her, give it back to her quickly. Her finances, her health, drop everything. Now go. Now go. I cast it back to the kingdom. Go now. By the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Go. Put your hands together for Jesus. I see something that looks like a snake and at the same time like a dragon, and at the same time it's like a crocodile. Yeah, the thing have the skin of a crocodile, very big. Yeah, and that thing was vomiting gold. The thing was vomiting gold. Yeah. And I say, how come this thing is vomiting gold? Yeah. And the Lord said, there are some of you, there's a woman here who is due for restoration. There's a woman here who is due for restoration. There's a woman here who is due for restoration. Everybody close your eyes. There's a woman here. The Lord said, everything that thing is vomiting belongs to a woman here. All those gold belong to a woman here who is due for restoration. Who is due for restoration. That all those things has been swallowed and taken from your life. But tonight you are due for that restoration. That all those things that animal is vomiting belong to you. Everybody close your eyes. Father, whoever that woman is, let her receive her restoration now. Wherever that woman is, that all those gold belong to her, that animal is vomiting, let that woman be restored now. Let that woman be restored now. Let that woman be restored now. At the sound of my voice, let that woman be restored now. Let that woman be restored now. The goats, all the goats, all the goats, whether it's a snake or dragon, or what's the other name? Crocodile. Whatever that animal is half snake, half crocodile, half snake, and half dragon. And that animal is vomiting something like gold. Be restored now! Be restored now! Be restored now! Be restored now! 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 Bring her, let me lay my hands on her. I use her as a point of contact. Anything that belongs to anybody here, that any spirit has taken from you, anything that belongs to anybody here, as I spoke about faith, let your faith call for something for you, okay? Don't be looking around. All of them belong to you. Those goats, take it now. I confirm it upon you. Even before the end of this year, see the manifestation of gold. See the manifestation of all those golds. Even before the end of this year, see the manifestation of all those golds. Lift up your two hands. I use it as a point of contact. Anybody here, that something has taken your marriage, something has taken your business, something has taken your finances, something has taken your opportunities, anything that belongs to you that has been taken, at the sound of my voice, take it back. Take it back. Your marital breakthrough, take it. Your marital glory, take it. Take it. Take it. Take it. Take it. Your marital glory, your marital breakthrough, take it. Take it. Take it. Your financial breakthrough, anything that has taken all your money, anything that has taken all your money, your financial breakthrough, under this prophetic atmosphere, take it now. Take it now. Take it now. Take it now. Take it. Take it. Take it. Take it. Your business, your property, your favor, your glory, it is yours. They have taken it. Take it back. 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 Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Hello. I said, look at me. Look at my face. Look at me. This lady is too young to be going through all this affliction. Is there anybody here, your parent, your father has 8 children? 8 children? You come. Look at me. Everything you have taken from her, restore it now. Her marital breakthrough, financial breakthrough, her glory.
No, she ain't gonna find she husband.
Huh?
She ain't gonna find the husband.
Huh?
She ain't gonna find the husband.
Why? Huh?
Happy.
You don't want her to marry so she can be happy.
No, never want she come here.
Huh?
Never want she come here.
You don't want her to come to this church. So why did you allow her to come? Why you never wanted her to come to this church? Why you don't want her to come to this church? Open your mouth and talk. Why you don't want her to come to this church? Because you don't want me to deliver her. Huh? You don't want me to set her free. That's why you don't want her to come to this church. She'll be set free. But you made a mistake now. She is already here. You made a mistake. She's already here. And I will set her free in the name of Jesus. So right now, pack your load. Leave her now. Fire! Fire! Go! Leave her now. Leave her now. Fire! Go! 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 Fire over you! Go! Go! Pack your things and go. Pack your things and go. You want to fight me? Can you fight me? Please put your hand at your back. Hey, put your hand at your back. Leave her. Put your hand at your back. What is that? Huh? Is that how to fight? Yeah, you are too small for me. Lock your hand there and start to do as if you have some power. You don't know your mate? Look at me. Remove all the chains you have chained her with now. Remove all the chain quickly. Remove all the chain now. From her neck, from her hand, from her waist, from her feet. Tear off all those chains now. Remove all the chain. Yeah, lose her. Lose her. Lose her. Lose her. Lose her. Don't hold her. Yeah. Lose her. From all the chains. Set her free now. Now. Again.
Everything. I know everything.
Huh? I know everything. I'm a prophet. You don't know me. All those people you have 10.
I never know who I is.
Speak good English now. How what?
How you know what she is?
How I know what she is? I know you. I know you very well. And I know everything you have done to her. You see, all those people, you have turned them against her. Look at me, unturn it. Overturn it now. I said, do it now. Fire! 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 Yes! Unturn. Yes! All those people who are supposed to help her, but you have turned and manipulate them not to help her, not to favor her, not to do her anything. Reverse it now. Reverse it. Reverse it. Huh?
I want to hear she try.
Hey, I said return, overturn it. Overturn it now. Fire, overturn. Fire, overturn. Fire, overturn. Fire, overturn. Yeah. Overturn it. Yeah, overturn it. Overturn it. Overturn it. Overturn it. Finally, you see those doors you have closed. Open it quickly. Hey. Lose the mind of those people so they can begin to love her and favor her and help her. You see those people, you have tied their mind against her. Untie it. Don't beg me. Untie their mind now. Untie their mind. Untie their mind.
Everybody can know who I is.
Yes, I said untie their mind. You have turned their mind against her. Untie it now. Lose their mind now. I said lose their mind. Lose their mind now. Fire over you. Lose their mind. Lose the mind of those people that you have turned against them. Lose their mind. Lose their mind. Family, stand on your feet. Anybody that the enemy has tied their mind against you, we untie it now. Lift up your hands. Say, any man, any woman that the enemy has tied their mind against me, under this atmosphere, we untie their mind. We lose them now. We lose them now. As I clap my hands and pray, I lose their mind. I lose their mind. I untie their mind. I untie their mind. I untie their mind. Pray! Pray! We untie the mind of our destiny helpers. We untie the mind of our employers. We untie. We untie. We lose their mind. Let the mind of my destiny helpers, let their mind be loose to favor me, to bless me, to help me. I untie their mind. I lose their mind. I lose their mind. Hey! Any man whose mind is turned against me, that he will not favor me, that he should not help me, that he or she should not favor or help me, wherever they are, we untie their mind. We lose their mind. We lose their mind. We lose their mind. In the name of Jesus. Finally, those doors you have closed, open it now. Open it for her. All those doors you have closed, open it for her now, quickly. Open it. Open those doors. Open it quickly. Open it. Open those doors. Open those doors. Open it quickly. Open it. Those doors you have closed, just to make her suffer. Open it. Open those doors. Open all those doors. Open the financial doors, business doors, marital doors, international doors, UK visa, American visa. Give it to her now. I said, give it to her. American visa, give it to her now. Fire over you. That American visa, give it to her now. I said, give it to her now. Fire over you. Why you don't want to give her the American visa? Why? Huh?
You know how long we block you from that?
You block it from there. I saw it. I saw it.
Nobody else ever said that how you said.
Huh?
Nobody never said how you said.
I know it. My eyes are open. I can see. Look at me. American visa. 10 years. Put it in her passport. Now. Give it to her now. Give it to her now. Stamp it. Stamp it. Stamp the visa. 10 years. Stamp it. Stamp it. There are people, let them go 10 times, they will deny them 10 times. Because something want to make sure your life doesn't get better. Something want to make sure your life doesn't progress. Now look at me. You see this lady? Don't come near her again. You're back on the floor. Go. All of you, go. All of you, go. Go. Put your hands together for Jesus.
Welcome to Mega Prophetic Ministry. We are prophetic. We are apostolic. We are a mega family.